Evaluating functions. Suppose we are given a function which is defined as fx is equal to 2x minus 1. Now if we are asked to evaluate f of 2, so what that means we have to evaluate the value of the function when x is equal to 2. So you see that we are replacing x with 2 in the function. In other words, we are asked to find the output when input is 2. X value is 2. What is the corresponding y value? So this is how this machine is defined. This is a function f. We input in this function. So see here how this function is defined. We input x in this function. This is the input. And this is the output that we get from the function when you input x. And the function is doing something and give you the output. And how this function is defined, it multiplies the input by 2, subtract 1 and give you the output. This is the output from this function. So now if you input x, this is how this function is defined. You can give any value to x and find the output. So if you input 1 in this function, x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. So what we have to do? We have to replace x with 1 here. So you get 2 times 1 minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, that is 2. That is 1, sorry. So that means the output is 1 when you input 1 in this function. In other words, what we are doing, we are replacing x with the given number every time. So what is f of 2? Just to replace x with 2 in the given equation. So that is 2 times 2 minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 is the output when you input 2. We can evaluate the function at any x value. We can also, so this is f of x, let me write it down again, 2x minus 1. We can evaluate this function at any x value, positive or negative. Let's evaluate x at negative 1. So what we are doing, we are replacing x with negative 1. So we get minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So that means when you input minus 1 in this function, the output is 3. We can evaluate the function at any variable as well. So what is f of a? So replace x with a on both sides. So we can replace x with any number or any other variable and we can evaluate the function. So once again, evaluating function means finding the value, finding the output of the function when you input the given number in that function. So we have to replace all the x's on the left and right by the given x value. Thank you so much.